I did it again. I took a tumble. Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Wednesday. Tuesday's probably the second slowest day. Wednesday's probably the worst. Thursdays are hit and miss. And I'm going to get the app booted up. And I did get knocked back down to silver at 69% acceptance rate. See if it's going to let me log in and dash. Yes, it will. And I'm on earn by time. I said, yeah, it says, you are silver. I keep going back and forth asking myself, why do I care if I'm platinum? Does it really matter? I'm going to go get in my spot. I've got the sunroof open. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. It's going to be mid-80s today, and I'm loving it. And it's time to play the music loud. First order, Wendy's, accepting. You're welcome. You have a wonderful day.
Bag in the box.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Oh, here. You create a drink.
So I got burned on that last order because I'm on pay by time for AR purposes only, and I got a double order here. Where are we going? Subway and Italian Village, except I got burned because it was 12 miles and I only got paid $7.75. So, and because there was no tip on that.
Half the street crowd at 780.
We're at the pizza place. Yeah.
That first delivery of the subway
In a quarter mile, keep left onto Pennsylvania.
went into this
201
bank that's
north.
over here on the right, and I couldn't take you guys couldn't take you guys in there. We're on to delivery number 2.
In 2 miles, keep right.
Okay, this was $8.19 total for both deliveries. Uber starting with their junk already. 408, $4.08, and they're trying to tell me it's only 2 point something miles. No, I know the area. Oops, and you're crooked. It was more like 6 miles. It's like, who are you kidding, Uber Eats? Who are you kidding? Fuck pay pay by time. I have myself scheduled for tomorrow morning so that I can possibly get a Dash Link order. That's just the way I'm going to do it. I'm just going to schedule myself. I can't deal with the 0 tips. I mean, I got screwed over good today on pay by time. Upside down. More than one order. It just wasn't one order out of random. It was a couple of my orders today on pay by time were upside down. Meaning, I traveled more miles than what I made. Now I just got an order in on DoorDash, $8.26, and it's like 5.6 miles. Accepted. Oh, Uber Eats is chiming in. $6.05, 7 miles. McDonald's. Okay, I'm gonna take this because I'm already a couple miles from the McDonald's anyhow. Oh, what the hell? It's a construction vehicle. If road construction isn't holding us up one way, it's holding us up another way. Like we got another Pizza Hut order, but this time this is on DoorDash. $8 for 5.5 miles. I am accepting it. I forgot to record the pickup, but that's okay. They gave me a free pop, a free 20-ounce bottle. I know, I said I was quitting pop, but I was dying for thirst, and that's all that they had in their cooler. Anyhow, we're going back to Menneson. It's just bouncing back and forth, picking up in Bell Vernon, delivering in Menneson, picking up in Bell Vernon, delivering in Menneson. Every single order tonight. So,
Starting route.
Leave on porch.
Proceed to the route.
So, let's go to this customer. So I did it again. I took a tumble. My hand hurts. Boy, does my hand hurt. These crazy people, I just did not see. It's like my foot got caught on a short step. I'm certainly hoping their pizza's okay. I didn't look at it. And it looks like I'm going to end up having to change my battery in my GoPro. Stacked order for Wendy's and Taco Bell, $11.13, 10.2 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. So the Taco Bell's being remodeled, and we've got to go there for the pickup. This is a very large order. We'll see who's the non-tipper in this stack. Here's the order. I couldn't record that drop off, but I did take a screenshot of it because my hands were just too full. Too full. And I couldn't handle the camera also. I didn't have my magnetic necklace on. So, we're off to the second drop off. While I was dropping off that last order, Uber Eats chimed in for $9.06 for about 5 miles. Okay, just let me get it out of the hot bag here. There you go. You have a wonderful day. Well, it put me out in the boonies, and I barely had a signal. DoorDash tried to send me 2 orders. Didn't come. One of them I thought was coming through my phone. I hit accept. That was a McDonald's order. Apparently, my accept did not register. Then there was a Sheets that came through text message, and that never came to the app. Okay, I'm done for the night. I just kind of had it. I made it back to platinum. Not that I should care. But because of those 2 missed orders, because my phone was unreachable, bumped me back down to silver. So I'm silver. I'm silver! I could prove it too, because I got silver hair also. Yeah. So I guess I was meant to be silver. Anyhow, tomorrow I'm probably not going to record, but I've got 4 videos to edit anyhow, to schedule out for content. I think I'm just doing Dashlink tomorrow. But to break down the numbers, I had 2 dashes today. And I dashed for a total of 4 hours for today. So 26.46 was the first one. And 27.39 for the second one. So I made $53.85. And on Uber Eats, I don't know if all the tips are in. Right now it's just showing me base fare of $11.01. $64.86. That's terrible. But it is what it is. I said from the very beginning, this is a Wednesday. Divide that by 4 equals $16.22 an hour. If it wasn't for Uber Eats, actually, I'm not sure if Uber Eats helped or hindered, but I'm expecting tips. I should have at least another $5 or so in tips coming on Uber Eats. But that's it. And I will see you on a YouTube screen near you. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too. And I will see you in the next one.